Hi, we're Titan Interactive, and we're designing this game. If you did we have a Titan did a good job, then good for him. If he didn't, I'll beat his fucking ass. So a bit of context. We are a couple of ambitious young people like 15, 16. We're friends and we love playing games, so we wanted why not make some. Our first game for Breakpoint is already released on Steam, and it's available to buy, so check it out if you want to.
And so, what do you mean by we? Then,
So we are three people. One takes care of the business side, which for now is literally non-existent. Me and another friend takes care of more technical side, as in programming and the editing and everything. So me personally, I'm the programmer, the designer, and everything. I have taken a couple of courses on Udemy and Coursera. So, and I got an official Epic Games Game Design professional certificate. So I think I already managed my way around prints on the Unreal Engine. Then I'm currently taking a C++ course offered by GameDev.tv, which I also got a development course from them. I actually recommend those courses because one, they're completely beginner friendly, and because two, they're fun. By all means, they're really fun. So we are making another game. So you might already saw it. You might have already saw it seen it since the beginning of the video when I did this with the logo. And I hope my editor did the same fucking thing, because I did set him the logo. So for now, all we have is the logo because one, we thought it would be the best part to start with, and because two, they have no idea about programming, so I'm gonna be the only programmer for now. Because for now, all we have is this. And you might be wondering, wouldn't it be a better approach to start with the prototype itself instead of the logo? And you might be correct. But since we're not an actual company yet, why should we follow the industry standard pipeline? I mean, we're already kind of following it, you know. We're still doing prototypes and everything. I mean, I just kind of contradicted myself there, but still, you know. So this is gonna be our first devlog, you know. So I'll continue recording when I have something done. See this? This is our life now. No, but really, jokes aside, this is gonna be a beautiful adventure. So, let's start with the movement.
Movement mechanics in Unreal Engine is very easy actually. It's only going to the project settings, adding the axis values and an action value if you want to add jumping. And you just have to put the keys in the mouse orientation you want, like for example mouse X or mouse Y, and then just put it in Unreal Engine with the input access values as a function, or not function, as an input. Yeah, sorry, as an input value, and just add pitch input and add yaw input while putting the values, and that's about it. It's honestly kind of the same with with the movement. I mean, the only thing that changes are the nodes of, instead of jaw or pitch input, it's add movement input, and you have to add the and for the forward you need to put the get actor forward, and for the right and left you need to get the get actor right or left. You know. So all in all, it was pretty simple thanks to Unreal Engine. So enjoy the rest of the montage. So I just programmed the movement, and the movement and camera, so we can walk freely. We can move around. We can't. I still haven't put the jump thing, but I'll do it right now. Wait a second. It's literally just jump. There we go. Spacebar. Good. Action. Jump. There we go. No, I jump no. There we go. In Unreal Engine, I love it because with jump I can literally just jump, and that's it. And then there we go. For project management, I usually use Obsidian or Metanote, but honestly, I honestly prefer Obsidian, mainly because of how of how many features it has. You know, like you can do graphs of many things, which Metanote can do the same. However, Obsidian, you can, I don't know, really, but I just know I prefer it, and to be honest, it looks cooler too, in my opinion. I love cooler, and the only downside Obsidian has over Metanote is that Obsidian, in Obsidian, it's like you don't have to code, but you do need to know a bunch of commands just so you can do, like, for example, a check bar, to-do lists, or whatever. Because as you can see, or we'll see, I am struggling for a bit. Because, for example, there's 2 dots and to-do list, and I forgot to add them. And then I get confused, letting them not up there with the 2 asterisks, then getting confused to checkbox again. Yeah, it's confusing. It's a bit confusing. So, yeah. To-do list or tasks, And so we need to add the movement, plan the mechanics, find the inspiration, and really do Raybox or a level and test the mechanics. So as you can see, I'm still struggling with, not anymore. I'm just changing the name. And if my past self can do it, we can check add movement.
That was basically today's devlog. So we set up our project, we already set up the movement too. So according to the task list, we have to plan the mechanics and see which fit and which don't. So I hope you had a good time watching this. And sorry, I just thought there was someone there. So I hope you had a good time watching this, and I'll see you next time.